Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia, and hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
Today's topic is very important and very personal. We are going to talk about free time and why it matters so much in our daily lives.
Yes, free time is a special part of life. It feels like space to breathe. When work ends, free time begins.
Exactly. When responsibilities finish, I feel relief and comfort. Free time gives me choice. I can rest, learn, or enjoy my hobbies.
That freedom feels very important. Sometimes free time feels short. Sometimes it feels long. But understanding how we use free time helps us feel happier and more balanced.
Free time feels valuable to me too. After responsibilities, it feels like a reward. My mind can finally relax.
I feel the same way. But sometimes I feel confused about how to use my free time. There are many options, and choosing wisely really matters.
Yes, free time can refresh our energy or it can be wasted. Learning to enjoy free time supports mental health.
Balance is the key. A balance between rest and activity makes free time meaningful instead of stressful.
When I think about free time, many emotions appear. I feel happy when I plan something enjoyable. I feel calm when I rest quietly.
Free time helps emotions settle. Without free time, stress grows. I notice this very clearly in my life.
Free time gives space for feelings. It helps me understand myself better. This makes life feel more peaceful and emotionally healthy.
My emotions change with free time too. When I have no free time, I feel tired. When I have too much free time, I feel bored.
So, balance feels important again. Free time should refresh us, not confuse us.
I've learned to listen to my feelings. They guide me. Using free time well improves my mood and gives me energy for responsibilities later.
Free time also allows hobbies, and hobbies bring joy. I enjoy reading and walking.
Those activities really relax the mind. Free time makes hobbies possible. Without pressure, moments feel more enjoyable.
Creativity supports hobbies. Creativity makes life colorful. Free time becomes meaningful when I do things that make me feel alive and peaceful.
Hobbies help me too. I enjoy music and simple sports.
Free time gives space for these interests. Playing music relaxes thoughts, sports move the body.
Both feel good. Free time becomes healing. It balances the mind and body.
Free time reminds us that life is not only about work. Free time brings happiness through simple activities.
Free time also helps relationships. I use free time to meet friends.
Talking and laughing feel warm. Relationships grow in free time.
Busy schedules limit connection. Free time opens space for people.
Spending time together strengthens bonds. This emotional connection supports happiness.
Free time helps me feel connected and supported by others around me.
I value free time with people too. Sharing meals or going for walks feels meaningful.
These moments create memories. Free time allows deeper conversations.
Without rushing, connection grows. Relationships need time, and free time provides it.
That makes life richer. I feel supported and understood when I spend free time with people I care about.
Sometimes free time feels difficult. I feel guilty for resting. I think I should always be productive.
I learned that rest is important. Free time is not lazy time. It restores energy.
Rest prepares us for work. Accepting rest improved my mental health.
Free time teaches kindness towards ourselves and respect for our limits.
I felt guilty resting before too. Doing nothing felt wrong to me. I thought rest meant wasting time.
I understand that feeling very well. For a long time, I believed I always had to be busy.
Later, I realized something important. Rest is necessary. Free time without pressure feels healing.
Yes, it reduces stress. When I allow myself to rest, my focus improves later.
Productivity grows naturally after rest. Free time is part of a healthy life, not the opposite of it.
Learning this helped me enjoy quiet moments without guilt or worry.
Free time also helps learning. I use my free time to explore new interests.
Learning without pressure feels enjoyable. There are no deadlines, no stress.
I watch videos or read articles about topics I like. Curiosity feels natural in free time.
Free time supports growth, and growth feels satisfying.
Learning during free time improves confidence. It reminds me that development does not always need pressure.
Free time learning helped me too. I explore topics slowly and deeply.
Understanding improves when there is no rush.
Free time learning feels fun and keeps the mind active.
That balance between rest and learning feels right. Free time becomes both useful and enjoyable.
Free time feels different depending on energy levels.
Yes, when I feel tired, I choose quiet moments.
Silence feels comforting. I sit, breathe, and let my thoughts slow down.
This kind of free time heals me. I do not always need activity.
Doing nothing can be useful. It allows recovery.
Free time teaches me to respect my body.
When I respect this need, I feel calm, balanced, and ready again.
I notice energy changes too. Sometimes free time makes me want movement.
That happens to me as well. I go outside and take a walk.
Walking clears the mind. Fresh air helps thinking.
This active free time feels refreshing and releases stress.
Free time gives choice. Choosing based on energy improves mood.
This flexibility makes free time valuable for both mind and body.
Planning free time helped me enjoy it more.
Without plans, I feel unsure and distracted.
Simple plans feel safe. Choosing just one activity removes confusion.
Planning does not remove freedom, it creates clarity.
With clarity, enjoyment increases. Free time becomes intentional.
Intentional time feels meaningful. I enjoy moments more when I know why I choose them.
Planning helped me too. I used to waste free time scrolling.
After planning, I felt satisfied instead of disappointed.
Even small plans matter. Reading one chapter or taking a short walk feels enough.
Planning protects free time. It prevents regret.
When free time ends, I feel refreshed, not empty.
This habit improved my relationship with rest.
Free time also supports creativity.
Yes, when pressure disappears, ideas appear.
I draw or write freely. There's no goal, only expression.
That freedom feels exciting. Creativity grows without rules.
Free time gives permission to explore.
Exploration brings joy, and joy improves mood.
Creative free time reminds me that expression matters.
Creativity appears for me too. Playing music during free time feels expressive.
Music reflects feelings without words.
There's no audience, only enjoyment.
Free time allows mistakes. Mistakes feel safe.
Creativity grows when fear is low.
That makes free time powerful for emotional release. Free time also helps reduce stress. When work pressure ends, the mind slowly relaxes.
I notice that too. My shoulders drop and my breathing becomes slower.
Stress leaves the body gently. Free time gives relief.
Without relief, burnout appears. Free time protects health.
It creates distance from problems. That distance brings perspective.
And perspective helps us find solutions later.
Resting now saves energy for challenges tomorrow.
Stress reduction is very important for me too. Without free time, tension builds.
I become impatient when I don't rest enough.
Free time helps reset emotions. Even short breaks matter.
When stress reduces, focus improves naturally.
Free time is part of a healthy life. Understanding this changed how I see rest.
Reflection also needs free time. Quiet moments allow deeper thinking.
I reflect on my feelings and goals.
This reflection feels grounding. Thoughts become clear.
Free time creates inner space.
That space helps confident decisions.
Reflection improves self-awareness.
Free time supports personal growth gently and calmly.
Reflection helped me notice patterns in my life.
Without pressure, Honesty feels safe.
Free time becomes a mirror. It shows who I am and who I want to become.
Free time changes with life stages. When life is busy, free time feels precious.
Even small moments matter. 5 minutes of calm can restore energy.
Quality matters more than quantity.
I stopped waiting for long breaks.
Small walks or deep breaths became enough.
Free time became flexible.
This flexibility reduced stress.
Free time can feel lonely sometimes.
Yes, when friends are busy, silence can feel heavy.
I learned to enjoy my own company.
Being alone does not mean being lonely.
Free time alone builds self-connection.
This improves confidence and peace.
Mental health needs free time.
Without breaks, anxiety grows.
Free time calms the nervous system.
It allows emotional recovery.
Protecting free time protects mental health.
Free time can be social or quiet.
Both are important.
Balance creates harmony.
Listening to emotional needs matters.
Free time habits shape life.
Small daily habits create stability.
Consistency matters more than intensity.
Free time teaches boundaries.
Saying no protects energy.
Free time is not selfish. It is care.
Boundaries improved my relationships.
Free time also changes with mood.
When I feel sad, I choose gentle activities.
Free time allows emotions without judgment.
Nature-based free time feels grounding.
Walking outside clears the mind.
Digital free time needs balance too.
Intentional screen time feels relaxing.
Physical movement during free time supports health.
Gentle exercise improves mood and sleep.
Free time helps dreams grow.
Quiet moments allow imagination.
Free time builds confidence through small choices.
Small wins create belief.
Free time improves problem solving.
Relaxation brings clarity.
Free time increases gratitude.
Slowing down reveals small joys.
Free time supports emotional release.
Expression feels safe without pressure.
Free time teaches patience.
It creates space between thought and action.
Free time is not empty time.
It is meaningful space.
It supports rest, growth, and joy.
Free time helps emotions settle and dreams grow.
I no longer rush to fill free time.
I protect it with care.
Free time became a friend.
It supports balance, health, and happiness.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope this conversation helps you understand your free time better.
Remember, rest is allowed.
And balance is essential.
See you next time on Easy English Daily.
Where learning English is easy and fun.